All right, so a third website that I found that I thought was actually a lot of fun. I kind of played around with it for a while. Um, and I was like, wow, this is kind of fun for myself, so surely students would enjoy it. But then it's teach your monster to read, and it is sort of in a sense kind of like Lexia, but this is free. I'm not sure if Lexia is free or if schools have to pay for that or how that works. But this gives students, they get to, I got to pick my own monster, and then I got to make my monster and decide what it looks like. So I thought that was kind of fun. Students would have a lot of fun with that. And then you can go into the games, and the games are fun. I would go in, but like it kind of, one downfall of the app is you have to kind of watch this little video, and like the games are not as much where you can stop and um, resume like at different places, kind of like how Lexia is. But so it'd be more of like there you have a 30-minute time for the kids to like play the specific app, rather than when you like use Lexia, it's more like, okay, you have 5 minutes here, you can like get on Lexia for 5 minutes or whatever. Again, like the other apps, you can make your own classroom, and so then you have a class code, you're able to print off their like logins and all that. It's kind of like Lexia and IXL and all that. So like sorry, Dr. Jones, I made you one of the people in my fake classes, and then myself, and so then I can also see how the group is doing, like in stats and stuff. So like you can see how much they've improved, where they've grown. Like you can see, I'll be honest, I only spent 3 minutes on the app, but I still enjoyed it. But like you can see how much time they're spending, and how like in the process that they're like, or how much progress they're making. So you can see, okay, this person is spending 20 minutes on it, but we're only going up like 1%. This other person's spending the same amount and they're going. So you can kind of see, and then it just shows more data throughout the what they're learning and everything. And so there's a couple different, there's not as many games as like I said, like other ones, but they seemed fun. This one was pretty fun, and then like it kind of has a story of how you get to this little area where the game takes place, and so I thought that was neat. But hope you enjoy Teach Your Monster to Read.